morning, everybody. This is Davey from the New Trader, and this is Marie. Yes, let's see what opportunities we find today in this market. SPY looking a little bit toppy there, but I was trying to look at the news, and there is not much news right now. Or I don't know if the app is just not working correctly, but yeah. So let's see what we trade today. Let's see what we find, and Marie, how are you doing today?
I am doing well, and you, Davey?
Good. It's Friday already.
Yeah. You're funny. No fun.
Oh, good here. Let's see if today we don't have a red day. If today I don't go monkey mode.
Monkey mode?
Monkey mode. Yeah, like yesterday I traded pretty bad. Like I recuperated a lot of whatever I was losing, but not happy about my trading from yesterday. So today we're gonna wait to see what SPY wants to do. Alright, is there anything you are looking at from the good to
There's
go?
a couple. Yes. So there is a couple. So we've got GM that has a crazy pop this morning, and it's actually the highest Harvard today. It's trading 4,000 times what it usually does. So we're talking absolutely nuts. We've got a long time, or I'm not sure if it's blue sky right now. I couldn't go back enough. But right now at 65, it topped there. And it could be interesting in shorting at that level. We've got a position. So I put that there. 65 sounds interesting for GM for a short. Could be, I don't know if it's going to go there again. I'm seeing the tape. It seems like it could go to actually bring back down and retest the PCL. That would be interesting. So I've got that one. We've got Webull as well. That's really popped this morning. I'd be interested for a pullback. Right now it looks pretty bullish on the tape, but we know that can really flip very quickly. I don't know the news on Webull for it to have that much of a pop, but Webull looks good.
Yeah, it's I don't know. Like we many companies started reporting already, so
Yeah.
probably
So that could definitely be one of them, right?
yeah.
And we've got our GTI that I would be very interested in the long at 42.
On the
So- Have fun, everybody.
Yeah, enjoy. So I would prefer shorts, I think. Yeah, I'm late for those shorts because they are already in the move.
So we've got SPY here that really had a pullback. Oof.
So I'm trying to go Nvidia short.
Okay.
But I missed my entry, so I don't want to chase it.
Okay.
So We're gonna take a little long on Mara right there. Let's see.
Okay.
Not the best price, but I think it can manifest for sure. So a little bit tighter stop loss, but I took an Nvidia short because I don't want to miss a trade. But I kind of don't think that I am wrong in there. It's just what are you trading, Marie?
RGTI.
RGTI. RGTI. Short? Long.
No, it was long. But I believe I front run it just a little too much.
So I'm gonna get myself out of Mara. I kind of don't like what it's doing.
Okay.
So I know I don't like the middle print, but I'm gonna take it that the middle print is okay.
You don't like the middle print
on any stock. I kind of
Okay.
don't like middle prints, but I decided to take middle prints on NVDA
Okay.
because I think I'm right. It's just a matter of time. It's just what the heck happened to Amazon? It's okay. Did you see Amazon?
No.
220. It was at 213 yesterday.
I don't understand with everything that happened.
No, I do understand. It's just like I didn't expect it today to be like the market is weak right now, if I am not mistaken. So
No, but with what happened with the
yeah, with
their
the certain
network.
no, yeah, like that's the third thing is Amazon got the pan by the hand, the hand by the the
By
pan
the
by the
handle.
handle. Yeah. So yeah, based on that, it's pretty good, you know. Like but like
Billions.
Amazon in the daily chart, it was at the 200 moving average. That's one of the trade I wanna get. But and I know I'm gonna have time, so I just like I was thinking to just get a little bit of the Tesla sold, but Tesla report tomorrow. It's irresistible to wait to not wait for it. So maybe tomorrow I'm gonna be regretting it, but we will see. Elon Musk is doing crazy things. Why did he say to people to cancel Netflix? Did you know that? He said to his followers
Did
to
he?
yeah to cancel Netflix subscription. And like apparently there was a boycott like that due to Disney as well, like not long ago. And
Oh, okay. Yes, yes, yes. That was because of free speech.
yeah, so it's
Yes, 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 yes. Disney and yes.
like from what I know in this case it's the same thing. It's kind of a political win, like because Netflix
Okay.
take a side, but I don't know. I saw somebody from the board of Netflix talking about that this morning, and they say it's okay. We have to keep making what we are making because we do content for everybody.
That's true too, right?
Like if Elon Musk have even time to watch Netflix, you know, like wrong parameter. I know, but it's just the power that he has maybe in telling people. But what they saw is that the subscription went higher. But they don't attribute that to that. They attribute that to people in Christmas wanting to watch things and things like that. So sports seasons and
So it went.
yeah, more people subscribe. But that's what they say. They are very polite and very and they don't say oh it's because you know the opposite of it. It's just because people want to watch more Netflix. I can tell you like I miss the quality. I don't have Netflix because we decided to not have Netflix. And like I miss the documentaries of it
Well, yes, eh?
because it's yeah, like I guess up to a certain point, anything has everything has a political side, even if it's camouflage or dimmed. But I like the fact that it looks so. I find that they present the data a little bit less influenced
Okay.
by sites, you know.
Mm.
Pretty sure that their producers believe in democracy and things like that. And there is no hard choice to be made. Like you know, if you believe in democracy, you believe in democracy. I believe in democracy. Like, what would be the point of Maria and I being here if it's all about myself or about herself? It's like
Mm-mm.
we share and we vote, and if we agree, and it's good. If we don't agree, we have to look for a better choice.
Mm. We need to discuss a little bit more. And a lot of times it's because of the lack of comprehension of the big picture, right? Of what it represents. Because a lot of times, when we discuss or that we share even more, we realize that, hey, you know what? Yeah, I'm able to compromise, or I'm able to see that, or I'm able to
Yeah,
see your perspective, right? So, and I think that's it's important, like you say, expressing what we.
and it bring like it makes the own system better in the next matter. Like for example, you can bring like oh, but that like let's say if we have a common goal, like that we agree, we have a goal. This is what we want to do. Like let's say making money and like being consistent in the market.
Mm-hmm.
Or if you bring that equation, yes, we can do that for sure. But probably that will put a couple of steps between we and our goals. So, and like we can design like in projection of the performance and saying like, but not the right time. Like I asked you about the channel the other day or something, and your suggestion was brilliant. So like, and that's why I say like, you remember like when we were saying like, oh no, to not grow up this thing for now, like because it's not our goal, like the YouTube channel thing. So and that's part of the deal. Like it's cool that you are able to have an opinion, because like not just an opinion, like it's a decision at some point. It's like voting. So
Well, it's that
it's
you share. It doesn't mean that whatever your opinion is the right opinion. It's just an opinion.
like for example,
Right?
I
It's a point of view, and you've got the second point of view.
I went through a process of learning a little bit because I was doing something personal that has related to history. You know the process.
Yes, yes.
I don't want to say anything about it, but like,
Mm-hmm.
and I learned that, like, in certain governments, and like, we can probably say our government here in Canada, like, the opposition is the minority, but the opposition is a legit chosen as the less seats hold for the it's not the Senate, it's whatever. So, but literally in the book saying that their goal, the goal of the opposition, their purpose, is to make the selected government better as being the opposite, like forcing them to revise, forcing them to say, like, so they have the role of we're gonna question, we're gonna
Keep you in check.
we're gonna keep you in check.
Correct.
Not because we are asshole, we are no asshole. Like we are just, we have a voice, and the fact that we are not the first one, but the second most popular, make us the opposition, for us to keep you in check.
Absolutely.
And we have the like, it has the qualifications to do that. So it's just like, that's what I mean. Like that democracy, like Joe Biden was asked, like, oh, it's true that you're gonna do that, and like he eating an ice cream, like, and I'm pretty sure that people say, oh yeah, like he was eating an ice cream when he's answering, and it looks very genuine to me, where he say, you know what, like, I'm just the president. Like, I don't have that much power to do that or to do this, because it's a whole machine, and I just have the lead of it, but I don't have the 100% of the decision of it. Like, it's
And that makes sense.
something
right?
well known, you know. But yeah, we are not getting political here. I really don't take a side in the political thing, at least not in the public space. Like, if I have a personal opinion on what is correct or not, I normally, like, the only opinion I have that I can express right there about that is I like democracy, and I like the fact that every side have their voice. Like, it's that freedom of choosing, like,
Freedom of speech.
yeah, no, and also choose who lead your country, you know. Like, yeah, whatever.
But not only that, but like you say, like, I feel, yes, democracy is definitely part of the political discussion, but as well, I find that to behave democratically, thank you, well, to behave is important as well, and I think this is just highlights that, right, as we're talking, that we do have that.
Yeah.
You know, technically you are the boss, but it's nice to appreciate
That's what she
that.
like to make people believe, but everybody knows Mario is the boss. Yeah,
It's nice,
keep talking.
right? To yeah, you know, we both have a voice. It doesn't mean that we always agree.
Yeah, and we have very hard warm up conversation eventually. Like,
Yep. But I think the basis is that, yeah, You might be thinking differently in some lines, but it's to respect the opinion and to really listen to the other individual and say, okay, well, yeah, we agree to disagree on certain stuff,
Yeah,
right?
it's funny because
And a lot of times what we do is that we actually meet halfway and say, okay, yeah, I kind of get what you were meaning there at that point.
and in some others we clearly have differences, and that's okay too.
Mm-hmm.
Like, what's up,
We
Bloody?
never claim, eh? Hola, Bloody.
Like, there are two books, and I probably never tell you this, but there are two books that I listened to
Okay.
just because of a book that I read about a trader. He was a trader, and he's a very successful trader. He's publicly there out there, and like this trader, like begins just like us probably, but like maybe with a little bit more money. But this trader had a partner like I have Marie for trading and things like that, and there was a point that the partner just said, you know what, you're so you that I need to walk away from you, and I just gonna. It's not a problem. It's not, but like we cannot keep going. And like I said, well, I have a partner there, and we have warm up conversations. I want to have a very friendly environment with her or whatever, because like the way that this his name is John Carter, and like the way he put it there, it was like a regression. Like, I mean, yes, he regret the fact that his good partner that helped him to do so much just went away because maybe you get like to write about something and you express it, you know. So.
But it's okay to be right. It's okay to respect it. But I believe that it's important to respect the other person's opinion that may not be the exact same thing as ours, right? So
Because that's very common to find, you know. We have so much in that is so funny that we sometimes have to so low tolerance to that.
it's true. Makes sense, right? The need to be right. Holy cannoli, I like this.
I don't know. You have long, okay. Crowd with, ay mama. Ay
Beautiful.
papa.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I see it from here, but this. Marie Big Guns.
God. You're funny.
Yeah, I have this tray here on Nvidia. There is a day in my book, in my ideal world, that Nvidia is gonna go to 175. Unfortunately, it is looking like if it is going to be today. I don't know if I'm dreaming. I have to recheck those things.
Okay.
But look at the size that is right now at 181.50.
Nvidia still trading around there? No, I'm breaking even. Okay.
Oh, no,
I'm
like-
$3 in the money, so I'm gonna break
Yeah,
even.
Nvidia is going down right now quite a lot. And there is a seller that is 181.48, which is a front running for the shorts in my opinion. So, and what is Nvidia doing? It's not doing much with it right now. It's looking like if you want to reach it, which is normally a bullish setup. But for how long it have last, the fact that it didn't went there like fast.
I see.
You see
I
it?
see Nvidia though as very rangy once it gets there.
Yeah, but what is ranging on that chart? Like
181.50 to 180.50 to 181.50.
because the chart is not rangy at all.
No, it lost like. But
And I had a 175 level.
what? Today?
Probably not today.
Well, you know what?
180.28 is there?
Oh, your 175 is the biggest position there.
Oh, is there?
Oh yeah.
What is it?
600. Wow, look at you. Wow.
It's funny, I didn't even look at the tape and you're telling me that it's there.
Yeah. At 600, 591. Are you kidding me?
Where you have it? On Arca or in it?
Arca. You
At
don't-
what price?
175.
I cannot see that far.
No, es imposible.
Yeah, my Arca only go 177 right now. But it's okay. If you see it, I see it. It's okay.
Okay, un momento. Did he leave?
Because there is a 600 that I see at 180.
175, 591.
Yeah.
It's right there.
So,
Did he show up now? Because it wasn't there. Now
No,
it's
I
showing.
don't see it. Yeah, I don't see it.
Okay, 592, 593. It's building.
Okay, so it's okay. We're gonna stay nimble there. Baby, come back, come back. Ay, ay. Yeah, I took a position on PLTR yesterday for the options, and it's right now trading at 21% PNL. So
Wow.
please don't go.
Seems like Apple is at a new time high.
And Mar-a-Lago is about to go to a new time low. Mar-a-Lago. Yeah, I saw a politician on the state of Georgia speaking Spanish. Like,
Oh, see?
yeah, that was weird, but very
Georgia.
supportive for sure. Yeah,
Georgia.
in the videos what we were looking for,
Uh-huh.
I don't know who is she, but like, yeah, she was speaking Spanish
Georgia.
to the whole protest population. Don't go. Please don't go. Entre pobres yo nací, entre pobres me crié. Entre pobres voy viviendo y entre pobres moriré. Don't go. Yeah, I sleep better yesterday. C'est la vie, mon ami.
I like. I like. Okay, did something happen to AMD?
Rigetti.
AMD.
No, it's just Rigetti. It's at a price that I want to go low.
Oh,
In the options, Jane. RGTI. It's funny. Yesterday I put the order there, but like this time I put the orders. I'm gonna put it good until cancel, unlike that, because it makes no sense to not wait for it. It makes no sense to not wait for it. So it's right now at 41. 141. Rigetti, okay. Rigetti. We wanna buy a put, and that put is at 42. Expiring the 24th of October. So it's a weekly thing. So we're gonna keep it going like that. There we go. That's what I'm doing wrong.
What are you doing wrong?
Now in the app, like for Rigetti, for Webull, I'm having trouble putting a very specific chart in my thing. It's because I was selecting an option chart instead of a stock chart.
Oh.
You mean that's what I mean? It's insane. Like I have a put for PLTR and it's making 40%. So or we are very dumb and we are not understanding something, or this game is a little bit too easy. No, I don't know. It's, yeah, sorry. It's not that what I mean. It's just like it is really there, you know. It's just like, what do you do with it?
You make money.
All right. So if I get it, look at the thing I am telling you. I don't get it.
Oh.
This is if I divide 16. Let's see. $724 down. So I am getting it at 720% down. So how easy is for you to make money in a crap thing like that? Like, I mean, so yeah, I don't want to be pretentious, but like, you know what I mean. 220. So 220 is the price I want to pay. I'm gonna try to buy that. So I want to buy.
No.
But it's not a put what I want. I want to buy a call. Call, okay. See, 42 call. So order is in. Are you ready for this, Homer? Alright, if Nvidia doesn't push back from 180.28, the rest is just bloody, you know? It's just not looking good.
So we've got SPY right now going through the levels that we had yesterday, keeping pulling.
Well, getting very warm up ears.
Your ears are getting warm.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Maybe
Malo?
too hot. No, maybe too hot here, I don't know.
Okay. It could be.
Don't go. Please don't go. Entre pobres muy bien, entre pobres moriré. Oh la la, building momentum.
RSI on SPY just went straight to the upside.
Yeah. Amazon is going higher and higher.
So what would be feeding?
Amazon.
Amazon?
Yeah, probably Tesla as well. Let's see, I haven't looked at Tesla. No, Tesla is going down. All right, are you gonna be pushing back from 180.28? I don't think so. But that's definitely a trade that will be done there. So I probably no, it's not done there because 180.28, 180.28. Yeah, let's see if Nvidia wants to bounce from 180.28. If I would like to go long, that will be the price I will try to get. But why I don't want to get it? Because from that 128, it pivot toward the downside so aggressive that it may get flushy from there. So if you get it at 128 long, like there we go, Nvidia is printing 128 very soon. It's just 10 cents right there. So if you print 128 and it doesn't bounce by the penny, the rest is history. And look how it was doing this wedge pattern toward the downside here. That's super bearish. So yeah, it's, when you do the wedge, but pointing toward the downside, coming from a upside, it's like, not good. 28, 25. All right. That trade is almost done right there, if ever it's gonna bounce. The question is, where is the SPY? Where is the SPY? All right. Yeah, SPY, as I said, was looking toppy, and it's okay. SPY can come back to 667 without any problem. Yeah, it's not that bad. It's not that bad, my guy, you know?
Not that bad.
So Nvidia had a very nice reaction at the 180.28. So does that mean that I want to be out of that trade? Because he just pierced it by 7 cents.
Okay.
Probably that's the right thing to do. But I really feel like being patient right now. So because yeah, it's not even a serious level to me. It's just, as I say, like the pivot from there is not looking good. If ever you go below there. Oh, if it has any value for anybody, the highest volume for the last 2 months have been right there.
Right where? What's
Right at the 180.28.
Okay.
So the problem with being the high volume there is below there is lower volume. So if we get into that zone, it's easier for the stock to go lower and lower, but it doesn't look like if it wants to go below there. So I am playing a little bit chicken here right now, so I am breaking even from the good to go. I kind of don't care much. That's the right thing to do. Well, the right thing to do is to take some partial right there, but as I say, let's play a little bit with fire.
What you mean, play with fire?
Yeah, like be hard-headed and things like that. I like to be doing that sometimes, and right now I'm doing it consciously.
Cabeza dura.
my gosh. There we go. That's the type of acceleration we were talking about. Flush it, flush it, flush it, flush it, flush it. 180 has 1,700 lot plus another 720 lot.
What?
And it's quite stacked, you know. It's like so I'm gonna be taking a partial right there. It's let's not be stupid, you know. That sounds wrong probably, but like I'm talking about myself, so I'm sorry, and I don't mean.
Let's not be negligent.
Yeah, I'm not being rough at anybody more.
No, no,
than
no.
myself.
Let's not be negligent.
That's not looking good, you know. Did you see where is the RSI on Nvidia?
No.
Look at the 1 minute and okay, that's not the RSI. That is the no. Never mind, Mary. Never mind. Don't look at it. Don't lose your time on that. All right, this is gonna be pretty there. Let's see. By the penny, by the penny, not by the penny. There was decent size there, and it swallowed it like if there is nothing. Naturally, that will produce a little bounce from there, which doesn't mean a lot. For now, 30 cents. And where did we find resistance? You see, there were at 1,000 lot, more than 1,000, above 2,000 lot at 180.00. Where did it find resistance once it bounced? At 180.28. So what does that mean? Oh my goodness. This thing is gonna keep dripping. But I'm gonna take some partials, so don't worry about it. I will take some partials, that's for sure.
Good job. Good job.
Hey, you see what I'm doing on Amazon? Like I'm on Nvidia going short. Anybody just look at Amazon. So this market is insane, you know.
It's insane.
While one is dripping like crazy, the other one is bouncing. So it's I don't know if we could say sector rotation anymore, but like
Yeah, I wonder, eh?
this is weird.
Well, I'm just surprised that we would have that kind of a bounce for Amazon after what they survived yesterday.
Yeah, like well, we all it was many products that were down, like
Oh.
many online products and things and websites and things like that were down.
Over 250.
So
No, sorry, 25,000 businesses. 25,000 businesses.
oh my goodness.
Yes, Dumbo. ¿Qué pasa?
Yeah, I have been ignoring AMD today, and maybe that's the right thing to do. Haha.
All-time high? Another?
You know,
Down,
it's going down. It's like this is what I was expecting to see it.
down.
Like really. like I told you, normally Nvidia is going higher and AMD is going down and backward. Today, both of them are going down. So what is that telling you?
That's weird.
Yeah, this is a like yeah we have said the word weird so many times. Probably we should look for another word because like for example
That's odd.
like for example SPY what it is. I see how it's tumbling down and why it could keep tumbling down. Like look at those moving averages, the way it's looking like, all the problems that like it's a what 22 or 21 days shutdown government like
No. I thought it was 2 weeks yesterday.
how many? I think it's 20 already. 20 or 20. How many days?
I thought it was closer to 2 weeks, but
Pass since United.
as you get older, time varies.
Twenty.
20.
Mm-hmm. This is ongoing 20. And the one
Wow.
in 2018 to 2019 it was 35 days. I never hear about that one. We were maybe not aware of that.
Hmm.
Yeah, if you say here, you say 20 ongoing. Did I get the option?
A little bigger bush so I can take my next partial. 125. That's 200 EMA. So I am in a trade in CRWV,
Or we've
CoreWeave, and I got in at 121.50. So I took a partial at
what price did you win?
121.50. So
No, I have the wrong ticket.
CRWV
CRW.
121.50, and no, CRWV.
122.03.
Yeah, but when I went in at 121.50.
Yeah.
121.50.
Yeah. Okay.
Then I took a partial at 124.40. Then I added on the pullback,
Holy
which
caballo.
actually worsened my price a little bit. Like you saw, 122 now. I took another partial when it hit 124.50. And now I should be taking my next partial at the 200 EMA, which is 125.
You wanna trade like a pro? Follow this lady.
You're funny.
Me? No.
Right now, my partial gave me 4 Rs. And I've got 6 Rs on, no, 5 Rs on deck. So we'll see.
We have to switch chairs.
You're funny. Baby's being funny today. It's weird, eh?
How little sleep can do.
It's true. What sleep can do to a human being. I was watching a documentary on sleep impact on the animal life. And it's all kinds, like it was really mammal, reptilian, fish, and it's incredible.
You should send that one to me.
It was BBC, but I'm sure I can find it.
Yeah, if you find it, I will I like even just to give me the name and I'm able to get it.
It was so interesting. To see the importance and how people, how the animals and humans behave so differently with lack of sleep. It was pretty interesting.
Yep, I guess so. It's a
Hmm.
it's a very interesting subject. Like,
I find.
Dumbo abajo. Vamos.
What you talking about?
Yeah, he's a little bit intense.
Yes, he is. He must have slept well too.
Probably. I kind of cannot get over Amazon, but it's okay. It's a beautiful chart
Is
of
it?
Amazon. Hey, hey. Abajo, abajo.
Dumbo. Je sais. Shh.
We are playing right now.
Siéntate.
Playing. We're working right now, so step down. That's stupid, yeah.
You're still in your streaming mode. And there he goes. Oh, wow. You've got to check this, Davey. Poof, partial. Look at that. And poof, gone. It's going to be good.
Well, you have the pan, you have the pan,
Pan by the handle. This morning,
because I see your price hanging up in there, and like basically in CoreWeave, like Marie just remove and then add, like she remove and add at the top here. Wait for it to be there. Oh, this is so annoying to that screen. So yeah, so she add remove here, she partial, and she add right here. But her average price is below the VWAP, so it's like
correct.
it's so far that she have no concerns about it, no stress about it. So that's very cool.
It would be really nice if, and we know CoreWeave is not correlated with SPY, and I'm hoping though today you would be, because right now SPY is making a new high, so it's actually challenged and topped it's out completely right now. If I believe it's out of its range, right? It's above the range SPY.
The SPY, yeah, no, it's not out, but I'll be there right now. It went up quite a lot again, so it's testing the top of the range.
That's what I thought. So it's not
But
out
like,
yet.
you have the pre-market
And
right
it's
there.
out yet.
Yeah, right now,
Now it's out. So I'm really hoping, let's go, if CoreWeave can get a little bit of honey from that little push there, let's hope that it's part of the contribution, because 125 would be really, really sweet. And it seems like we do have some buyers here, and we found some buyers.
I noticed that this is a sector, like right now the problems we have, like for example, I'm going short. That might be the wrong thing, but like, because in the sector I am, like it's a semiconductor sector.
Okay.
It's kind of
It's kind
okay
of
because like when we look at the chart, like at the map here, the heat map, everything is green minus the
Yeah,
semiconductors.
semiconductor. And that's where you're shorting, right?
Yeah.
So,
That might be why SPY is having trouble holding above those moving averages. But
So
the big problem I have here, and this is a chart that I cannot enjoy right now because my computer will cry and things like that, and like the sofa will cry. But there is a chart that I discovered a couple weeks ago that I show you.
okay, yes.
So I am seeing information from that chart partially right now
Okay.
because I have the other indicators. But basically, when you have all those indicators like crossover like this in that top, the downside is potential. It's quite
Yes.
huge. So
Absolutely, I agree with you.
right now, what I'm saying there, you have a SPY here, and look, you have 200 moving average, 400 moving average, VWAP, 200 moving average in the 5 minute, and look at this guy lagging behind here. So we can come like a SPY. I'm not saying it's not a financial advice, but like what I'm saying is like in the chart I was researching. Those were some of the best setup for like it can go all the way up for sure. Like it could be against my idea, but it's just like if it goes down, it's gonna be very juicy.
Hmm.
So if you lose, let's say, the 200 moving average in the 5 minute, which is the dotted line here, you can be quiet. But yeah,
Okay, let's go. Oh, you're too close to the sun. And you're not heavy enough to be able to repel. Definitely not large enough to repel. So I am looking at the 125 right now. It's on deck. So let's hope that it's going to be in the next minute. Late people showing up to the trade. We need to back up.
by the way, like I didn't want to have any comment on your General Motor, but did you look at your General Motor idea? And did you look at the chart after? No.
No, I'm afraid.
Yeah, you were dead on.
Oh!
Like you were looking alone on that one.
I was saying both. So I said either
Right.
that we were going to be shorted at the top. I think it was 65.50, and then it was a long.
Well, from the open is more than $3 up,
Oh wow!
and that's a $60 ticket, so
Wow.
it's quite a lot.
Hmm.
Oh my gosh.
So SPY it went above, re-entered, and now is violently going to the VWAP at 671.
Baby, come back.
Yeah, come back up. Come back up.
Baby, don't go. Don't go. This is fun, man, you know? This is fun. I have to sleep better more often, you know? It's just.
Yes. Yes, you do.
It's
Yes, you do.
it's a good thing to
I
have.
completely agree with you.
Hoy he vuelto a encontrarla después de tanto tiempo. Tururín. Tararararara.
Good coffee, Davy. It's almost all gone.
My pleasure. Today I'm not drinking more. Just
No?
yesterday I was needing it, but today we're gonna behave.
You think so?
Yes, sir.
You need to, he says.
Yeah, because what happened is I told you I feel so good when I don't like. Well, I sleep like unless say my sleeping is not good either. Like well, it's not that it's not good. How can I? Let's say I attribute whatever is doing like drinking less coffee, whatever is doing best for me
Mm-hmm.
is that whatever time I sleep, even if it's not enough, I rest more. So the
It's a
quality
better
of the
quality.
resting, like I can tell you, it's so annoying because I can not tell you, I can show you. I had my higher, like since you gave me the watch and thing, like in the recording for the sleep, I had the highest quality sleep when the Saturday I drink just 1 cup of coffee.
Wow.
And that's horrendous. Like that's horrendous. Like it's very bad to say that because it's like, man, you really.
Wow.
And I don't have a problem with coffee.
That's
like
a
I really
mouthful.
like. I'm gonna show it to you now. You will see. Which is still like the score for me is really bad yet. Like I think it's like a 72, and that's my highest score from like I don't know how many months. Like I see Brian Johnson having like 99. It's like, okay.
99?
Yeah. It's, yeah, like look the score for my sleep yesterday or the last sleep, 53. The rating is just okay. So, but it's like yeah, and you see like normally I have respiratory quality very low. Last night I got a 99% on that one.
Wow.
So, but I gonna tell you like let's see, yeah. Then 56 score for the night before. The respiratory quality 74%. That's not good. But I'm gonna show you the highest score I had. It's funny because I had like this was the 17, very poor quality sleep, 49 score 49, but the respiratory was 100%. So let's see the other.
So that's snoring.
So 64 score is not bad with good quality of respirator. Yeah, that's my best. No, that's 79. That's the best I have seen actually. The other was a little bit lower, but the
That's high.
respiratory quality was very bad. 69. 65. Look, 10 hours of sleep. That was the night I told you, and. So I have a higher score now, like, yeah, 72. Look at that one. Very good. So that was the highest I saw before, 72. But like I see in the couple last nights, like I got one that has, you know what I find out with this clock, the watch? I can have the ring, like the ring. There is a ring, sleeping ring, like everybody uses it right now for like
It's very popular.
most of the traders use it because they like to like show off about how good it is when you sleep good and blah blah blah. So
Hey, that'd be cool, to ask Santa for it.
it's quite expensive, Marie. So yeah, so the highest point is 79. The higher score, like that was the 14 of this month. And the quality of breathing or respiratory quality was pretty bad, but like yeah, it's a good score. So the way it rate is like REM sleep, light sleep, deep sleep, movement, and breathing.
Okay.
So that's what it count for.
To evaluate the quality overall.
And the reason why I know is like I mean it's legit. Like I mean like let's say for sure it may have some flaws here and there, like maybe not the most precise things and blah blah blah. But I can tell you that the day I have the highest score, like the day it's like oof, something went on last night. You know, I feel like if I wanna eat the world alive. So I think I was right about NVDA. Right now I just keep tumbling down and like. That means that it's probably going to those 175, I couldn't see the size on the tape, but Marie saw it, so that's enough for me.
Yeah,
and I
it
for
was
sure have a lot
591.
more.
I'll go check. Because it could be that that person's gone, but
Don't lose
It
your
was-
time on that one, lady.
it was building at that. Let's go and check. Yeah. And you said it was 175.
It's not precise at 175. It has to be just around.
175?
Mm-hmm.
You know, remember it was 591, 590.
Yeah, 600 the worst
It's
case.
620 now.
Hehe. All right.
Odd that you don't have it.
Yeah, like I know that my tape is now. I have it. Yeah, now I have it.
Not showed up?
619
There we go. 620.
and
Yeah.
620. Yeah, and look below 170. So yeah, like I have a different tape than you. That I know, but I supposed to be able to see what you see because
At least that.
yeah, at least
Plus.
that. Yeah, exactly. Plus
That's what
whatever.
I mean. Yeah. Because you have a more comprehensive than I do.
Like that's something like if I ever get good at trading options, I gonna add back because I removed the options things from
Oh,
my
yes,
dash.
I remember,
Like that I
yes.
get more things without having to pay more. Like I just swap them. So, but what I'm saying is like I would like to get oh la la. Right now Nvidia is looking very tumbling down, very tumbling down. Look at those stepping down, stair stepping down everywhere. So yeah, what I was saying is
Spies at the VWAP.
you are able to get options with that, pretty much the same way we are trading stocks. So, but because I am not good at it, you can make a big bobo about it. You know, I don't know if you know what I mean. It's like you can be like,
A boo boo?
yeah, like if you make like in Webull, there is no way that I'm gonna make that boo boo because I know how much I'm risking. I know all that thing, but if I'm gonna go to trade then on DAS, I might be taking a different product than what I'm thinking I'm taking. So, and that's why I say like I know somebody that lose, but he's okay because he got a lot of money. But like he lost a lot of money, holding an option because just lack of information, you know.
Oh, really?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Right now, Nvidia have a very easy tape to read.
Okay.
There is some things against the short, like I mean, there are indication that it can go higher, but the predominance is in the shorts anyway. So that's why I say we are kind of quiet here.
Okay.
But we're gonna have to let it lose the 180 for good because there was decent size there. I just don't like the fact that it didn't. If it didn't bounce the 180 with 2000 lot, like it did bounce, but what I'm saying, if it didn't hold with 180, I know that removed a lot of selling pressure, but like sometimes it just keep tumbling down, and like it's quite early yet, so yeah, it's
So we've got SPY now that not only did not make a lower low, but really retest.
yeah. Let me put that one where I can see.
Went to the VWAP, popped the VWAP, crossed through
Yeah, it's looking bullish.
both VWAPs. Yeah, crossed through both VWAP, crossed through the 50 EMA, and breached the 200 EMA, and now it's at the top of its range. No, it's in the range again. So,
Yeah, like if I just left, and this is why I say like in the options thing, because it's a very specific amount of capital. Like I mean, uh, like even like I am simulating that options trading, but let's say when I take it with real money, the options, like it's the same way I'm gonna do it. So like I kind of don't care if I don't get filled up today or not, because it's I am looking toward Friday. Like I mean, those are options that will expire this Friday again. So it's a weekly options thing.
Okay.
So like, and I know that those prices get offered in times where I am not sitting down there. So I want to get it. I want to leave the orders good until cancel.
Okay.
Because like I just missed the entry on Rigetti because yesterday I didn't put it good until cancel. I only put it good for the day.
Can we take a little bit?
Yeah, I was going to ask you because I have to take a break too. So we're gonna be back on a All right, we're back. So Lydia is trying to go higher, so yeah. GM like apparently find the plateau there. I don't know. You were looking at short. I don't know if this is around that price or what, but
Oh, that would be great. Short on GM.
though I don't have data. I'm just saying like I know you say you have both sides.
Well, is it blue sky? It should be blue sky, right?
No, it's not.
No?
No. Probably yes. Yes, it is blue sky.
I thought it was.
No, it's not. No, it's not. Yeah.
No?
It's not. Yeah.
Okay. But
It's
like we're
about to
talking.
get there. It's a dollar more
Okay.
to get blue sky.
Okay. Oh, did we look at Tesla?
No, I'm very choppy. This morning I went on to cancel the order because they have earnings tomorrow.
Oh.
And
Okay.
where I have my order, I say no, I'm not canceling that. I will stay there. I wanted to get me out if ever you get there.
Okay, it seems like
That is finally gonna go down.
not sure about that one. We're talking SPY. I'm looking at SPY.
Yeah, SPY is. I'm looking at SPY. I'm looking at Tesla. The SPY is pumping up again. It's quite hard-headed, you know, hard-headed, like trying to go back up, like time after time.
Well, it's not making a lower low when it pulled back. So every time the pullback is happening with SPY, it's not making a lower low. Now the pullback, this one was almost a perfectly clean bounce to the VWAP, and the RSI is really, really high right now. So it's still not as high as the pop that happened at about 1020. But
Okay.
the RSI is quite high on SPY.
Maria.
So SPY is still at the top there, right?
Yeah, like. Yeah, I don't want to talk too much about SPY because I look at it a little bit different, so I don't want to influence you too much, but.
SPY now is out of the range, really bullish, making a new high. We've got ginormous orders on the offer for SPY. Look at the date. We're talking 300, 350. Ooh, dug it. Somebody definitely wants to make it. Whoo, SPY. Holy cannoli. Orders are going through fast and furious.
Too fast.
Too
furious. I just sent this to my dad. To
Full escape from SPY. Okay, so now SPY, new high. The last huge position on SPY is 672.72.
Right. So 672.72. Yeah, I see where it's going.
Is that a level for you?
Let's take a look at that. That's
Between
exactly what I was going to do.
72 and
I have
672.80.
673.26.
Okay, 673.20. We've got a position there.
I can tell you right now because I am not looking as close. So right now there is a level at 672.62. Yeah, right there. That could be the high, but like right there. But if not, it's gonna be going to 673.27, something like that.
Oh my God, K-pop Demon Hunters.
We show up again.
Yes. It seems like people are talking about the song.
I can tell you, they are addictive. So, it's every day here in the morning. So I gonna, whenever I see them doing it again, which could be tomorrow, I gonna do a little recording for you to see how these girls wake up. Soda pop. If a SPY keep breaking through higher prices, like Tesla earnings tomorrow is gonna be interesting. Which actually I kind of don't remember at what time they are. What time
When?
is tomorrow? Are Tesla?
No, but I mean, yeah, at one time, yeah.
It's after the market close
Okay.
at 4 p.m. Right there. The market close is right there. No, this is April. Okay. Yeah, I'm looking at it wrong. But it's always at 4 p.m. There was only July. That was at July 2024. It was at 8 p.m.
Oh, okay.
But tomorrow.
But usually, as soon as the market closed, they give the numbers.
Yeah. There is a funny question apparently people ask. Will Tesla stock reach $2,000? In the analysis,
A what? What is it?
2,000. 2,000.
Oh, okay.
I
I heard 10,000.
He said the probability that Tesla stock could be worth 2,000 per share or less in 2029 is 25%. In this analysis, the probability that Tesla could be worth 3,100 per share is, yeah, it's a big gap in there because it can be between 2,000 and 3,100, and both of them
Okay.
have 25% probability.
Okay. That's all I can do.
Enough is enough.
Whew. It's just
Yeah, I know the feeling. I know.
right.
It's
It's
okay.
just sometimes it's just too much. You say, okay, whoa. Sometimes it's nice. You need the pop of energy, but here we don't need to. I got energy sitting beside me.
Oh my gosh. BBAI is trading quite high shares. Like,
Is it?
yeah, it's the price is not that high. It's just the volume is high. It's about 2% to 3% up. Down. Let's see what my dad is saying. All right, so we're back. Yeah, I'm still holding Nvidia. That's definitely a bad idea, but it's okay.
The position of 672.72
Mm-hmm.
is still there.
Okay. Like, I'm having trouble to believe that SPY will keep going higher, though I know it's looking good. It's looking good, but this market it has been very good at making you believe stuff and then like just going the other way. So, like, I see BBAI, I see Nvidia. Most of them did like if you see here, like, this is like a type of double bottom, triple bottom, but piercing it. So I kind of don't like that. So you have AMD a little bit more flushy, but then you have Nvidia that looks a little bit more similar than BBAI. Here, like, it make you believe that this is the low, then make a lower low, then pierce it again. That's what I don't like. So Though I should be taking partial there because I was able to see what was going on right there. It's still not the right thing. Like I mean, what is not the right thing is holding for so long, and yeah. Like SPY really took a little snap there at a very technical price. So
But as much as it like literally wicked the 672.70,
mhm.
it did not fulfill the order. Order's still on deck.
Yeah, and look at the RSI. I don't know how the RSI is looking to you, but
Looking like it's going to retest that.
mm-hmm.
You know?
Hmm?
It doesn't look like it's going to.
I don't know. It's okay.
So SPY on its way to retest the 672.70. A little curl on the other side there. Okay, what are you going to do at that level there? For SPY. 672 on there. 672.70. Okay. The order's been filled. Now we've got an order at 80. But we should have a little bit of a pullback there.
What is Mar-a-Lago? What?
Reform.
You don't like my Mar-a-Lago? Mar-a-Lago.
What's Spy doing?
You know what I'm gonna check right now?
Mm.
Through social media.
Ah,
Self-reflex.
could be a good one.
Yeah, no, nothing.
No?
Nothing market-wise. So. Una vida tan vacía, sin amor, sin esperanza. This is so boring right now. I told you, Spy is so good lately. The market is so good at making you believe we're gonna go there, my guy. You know, go with us.
Yeah. Well, we knew, right? We
And
said
then
672.
he gets you and do
72. 672, 72. Right to the penny. Boom. To the penny.
What are your vibes, my guy? I don't know. I feel a little bit reddish right now. Do you mean you have a ready thing? No, no.
Just a little bit reddish.
Reddish. Reddish. Yeah, the map's still looking the same, I would say. Nvidia, yes, coming back up, but more than that. More than that, we don't see the momentum.
Mm-hmm. Wow. What a push for IB.
Don't be yo.
Wow, I hit. Mm-hmm. Let's put those levels there.
Yeah, I'm
Can
supposed to be
see.
putting levels, but I am not doing that right now, so I am being very lazy.
Hmm.
So, well, I did all the things, but I should be putting levels. Let's put one level there about anything. Though. So right now, let's see what is trading high right now. Do I have levels to work out for Nvidia? Baby, come back, come back. So for SPY, I have nothing to do because this is update. And it react, as Marie said, by the penny now, so tumbling down a bit right there. So these fluctuations are crazy, man. I mean, like just the fact that like we are touching those prices almost daily. So SPY, I have nothing to do. So as I say, so what about NVDA? Does Nvidia looks a little bit different? That's correct. That's correct. Yeah, for now I have nothing to do. The 75 level is in play, but if I keep it more realistic, I probably should be aiming for 77.50 and then be out. But we are still far from there, and like it pushed decently from the 180.28. So
Okay.
yeah, so I have nothing to do with Nvidia. So two of the stocks that I am trading that I have been normally checking the level. So this is AMD. On AMD, I have one level to add, and I don't like that level because I am not willing to trade it. So that will be at 144.50, I think. Like AMD right now. If AMD is not alone right now, I don't know when it will be alone. Yeah, if it's not alone around those prices. If I want to be precise, probably at 236. But yeah, 236. I'm not looking for long, so I'm just gonna add the level, but I kind of don't care about the level right now, so because I am not willing to trade it. Because the last two times I traded, I got smoked. All right. So we have for AMD 241.32. So I could probably take that level if ever, and if it doesn't work, just leave it alone, leave it quiet, let it do whatever you want to do. So yeah, 241.32. So let's add that to the list. Last price, and this will be a short. So I'm gonna start putting the direction on those things. Short AMD. 241.32. 241.32. Oh, that's wrong. Maria. I didn't ask you today about stories.
No, you didn't.
But you say you were going to work on
On
that.
it.
You say you were going to work on that. So tell me what you have done.
Well, when you say a story, do you say like a joke?
Yeah. Entertainment.
Ah.
Joke. Anything. So that's correct there. So I say AMD. So I have a GM. I don't have it. Let's add GM because it's gonna be a little bit hot for a couple days, probably for the earnings.
Yes.
So GM. Oh man, that's looking so bullish. So bullish. Your short idea was because of the tape?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, no, I didn't know. So I just knew that that 65 level
Mm-hmm.
was going to be a reaction. So just that it could be a long and go through that, or
Because he looks.
find it up there.
Let's see if I can get that an option for that. So it will be at 67 because it's quite juicy toward the downside. But like
Did it reach there though?
that's kind of my concern. Like it missed it by like 30 cents.
Whoosh.
So GM. So what we wanna buy is a put, and we wanna buy a put. Out of the money. All right. Okay, so I have an order to get some of these things. So.
For GM.
Mm-hmm.
As a short.
I say short. The equation in there is the same equation that we have been talking all the time. Low probability is just so attractive, the risk to reward ratio, that
Could be ginormous.
if you get it, you are laughing at it. But yeah,
I know what you mean.
and we just got it. All right.
Okay then.
%5 instant in the money. Yeah, but I don't, as I say, I don't think it's gonna work. Like, we're gonna have to let it work. Tomorrow is that we wanna look at that bad boy, because it say that it can go down almost to $62, easy. So that's $5 in a six. It's about 9% down, and it's just that 9% down is just a pullback. So That's the element in there, like that. I don't know how the guys who look at that. Like the put I'm trying to buy here, well, that we bought.
Mm-hmm.
By the time that we are talking about it, like by the time you place your order, like right now it's 1% down. That's why I say like it's okay. So
Oh.
so by the time we are talking about it, the put is in the money. But by the time we get it at the price we wanna get it, it's out of the money. So
Mm-hmm.
does that make sense today? I don't know. I say I have questions for Zach whenever he come on board. Maybe next week I think it is, but because
Is it?
yeah, Zach knows a lot about options. It's just that we look at a calculator where he say like if you get it at this price, that's what it's supposed to do. But I think that the calculator is off because it doesn't know the implied volatility at the moment.
Ah, okay.
So SPY bounced from a very nice level. So did you see like at the top of the range?
671.
Yeah, like that. That's a good bounce, I would say. So I have to watch out. $67.06. So that's for GM. So I'm just gonna add, just in case it go down. $62.13. GM. En esta soledad, en esta soledad, que no me sienta nada bien, querida. Oh my gosh.
Sing it, Debbie. What's I gonna do?
Right, it's time to wrap it up. So, today I have been just holding a tray that was looking fantastic at some point. Right now it's making me probably flat at some point, but like, yeah, I draw my levels and things like that. So I only tray Mara, and like Mara, I took a loss here because I think it was going to go lower. It went lower, but then it went higher. So I kind of don't like that trio Mara, so Mar-a-Lago, we're gonna leave it alone there. So really choppy since long ago. So and then I just trade Nvidia, and Nvidia I have a short idea right here. I got a short here, then I got out at break even. No, not true. I got short, I got stop out with a little loss. Then I saw the reaction again here, and then I decided to take the short again. It went all the way down here, and then I let it go all the way back up. I'm okay with the trade, though I am not happy about the fact that I didn't took any partial here because I could be quietly adding to this right there.
Okay.
And it's a misbehavior, and we have to work on that and all that thing. But you know, you have to kind of be patient too. And I was expecting this to go to 175, and I convinced myself a little bit too much of that. So, and that's why the misbehavior, because you really believe on your idea. And I said I was consciously going to be hard-headed. And in the meantime, I work in other things, though still not justifiable. Just poor executions. And yeah, let's see how we can improve that. And yeah, what about you, Marie?
Okay, so I started out. I'm gonna get out of this one. I'm in right now. I'm in Ionic.
Ionic.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I see. It's like quite high volume too.
It's got good volume, but I believe I'm reading it wrong right now. Yep. Because yeah. So I was taking it short. And I believe that 660, yeah, and it's still, like, really, it's got good volume, but the volatility is quite low at the moment.
Excuse-moi, Marie. Your yellow line, look at your yellow line and look at the price of Ionic.
What do you mean? Which yellow line?
The yellow line, not the level that you draw, but the moving
The
average.
200.
Yeah.
See.
Okay. So, sorry, I just interrupted you. Keep talking.
It's okay. So, for me, I'm looking at it as a short. And the way that it was reacting to the 200, I'm looking at it.
Basically, what I'm saying, I think you're right.
Oh, okay.
So, I think you're right. I don't know what is your price, but I think you're right. It's just maybe a price misconception in there, but that's a hell of a short, in my opinion. Yeah, keep talking.
Okay.
So,
Okay, let's hope. I've got a good position. My price is $59.90, which is not the best price, but I wasn't looking at it. I was in another trade at that point. So I'm hoping anyways, at retesting the bottom.
yeah, like
That
basically
trade.
once you lose the VWAP.
It should, right? So this is all what I'm seeing the same as you. I'm really hoping on that one, and that would be able to pay good. I'm hoping. So I don't have my worst trade was RGTI. So my RGTI.
Reggaeton.
Reggaeton. So reggaeton, I was seeing it, and it's the worst part is when I did go RGTI. My worst part is I was looking it at long. I held it too long, and you know what I got out of it as a long? 41.20, and it reversed at 41.10.
Yeah, by depending.
But
that's the behavior that happened that we don't know how to call it.
mm-hmm. But I mean, I wasn't. I like really. I like our GTI. definitely was not a good read there. Very impatient with the trade, and that was a big loss for me. So, not least with my trading on RGTI. So that got me a red trade. So then I switched, if you remember, to CoreWeave. So CoreWeave, I went in at 121.50. I took a partial at 125.50. I added on the pullback to 121.80. I took a partial at 124.50 again. I took a double partial, then I actually took a double partial at a 123.60. Then I took another partial, 124.60. I added on the pullback, 124, broke even, got out at 123. So that I could have held it again at 123 because it just went through at 122.80. I broke even. That one was a 5 hour trade. So that one was good. Then I went to Ionic. Ionic wasn't moving.
You are passing again to be jumping from name to names.
Yeah. So then I went to Ionic. Ionic, I'm looking short. The way that it's reacting to the 200, I'm looking at short. I really not totally convinced of that short. But then when I'm looking at the position on the tape, it could very well go to 60-60. And if that's the case, then the trend is broken. So I don't like that. I don't want it to go past the EMA, the 200 EMA.
Okay.
For the short. So we will see.
Okay.
So I've got that short there. So I am a little bit red today. It's not crazy, but it is 5 hour at the moment red. So we will see what that's going to happen, and and I think Dumbo wants to go up.
Yeah. So I hope everybody have a good day.
We'll keep you posted for tomorrow.
Have fun. See you then.
See you then.
Bye.